Alright, here is my live. So this will just be my airplane showcase. It's gonna be question and answers from the airplane showcase. So hold on real quick. Alright. So if anybody's watching, I know nobody is right now at this moment. Someone will eventually click on it and Alright, I'm back. Just had to do something with my dad. Alright, so this is going to be a good stream. So just gonna wait until someone joins the live. I know someone will. I have 1 subscriber. Pretty neat. So yeah, let's just just gonna be waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. So, anyways, I'm just gonna be telling you stuff until someone actually joins. So, I have a Qantas Spirit of Australia, A380, a United 787, a Aeromax 787 Dreamliner. The United is not a Dreamliner. I've never seen it in 7. Alright, I'm back. Just had to do something with my dad again. He tried to call me. Anyways, let's keep it. Okay. Someone's having fun in the car. So, let's just... I don't know what to do yet. So I'm gonna get the camera on right now. Alright. So, here is my Qantas A380 right here. United 787, Air Mexico Dreamliner, and Caribbean Air 737. So now, you're probably gonna wanna see one of them fly. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, doesn't wanna fly. Too much weight on it. It's too fat. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this live stream right now. I'm not gonna end. No, I'm not gonna end yet. I know it's hard to actually gain subscribers by making random videos, but in random shorts. So I'm gonna be. I actually do not know. This is gonna be a short live stream. I'm gonna do short live streams. So what I am gonna do is I am going to just yeah, I actually do not know what to do yet. My parents are just gonna watch me, I guess, so it's gonna be fun and cool and stuff, and yeah. So, what I am gonna do is I'm just gonna, I don't even know, actually. So this is my Caribbean Airlines. That's probably a little cool. So I'm probably gonna reach the 10-minute mark. So anyways, once I reach the 10-minute mark, I will say goodbye to you guys. I hope people do watch the end of the live stream. I mean, nobody is watching right now. I'm streaming to nobody at the time of 6 minutes and 20 seconds into this live stream. Anyways, what I am going to be doing, probably going to do nothing for now. So this live stream could be 2 hours, it could be 1 hour. I don't know, depends if so this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this Aeromexico plane and compare it up to my Caribbean Air. So I'm just gonna do like body inspection and stuff, you know, stuff like that you have to do as a pilot. And let's do a back inspection. So that is that right there. So, yum. One of them. United. Alright. And alright. My back inspection. Let me get real light in here. Got some real light. It's pretty bright. Oh, well, it's 10 minutes, 20 seconds already. I'm gonna go at like the 12:30 mark or something. I don't really know when I'm going to end. So, butter. Alright. So we will do a thingy. So all the airplanes will pass by the camera. So it's gonna be for the end of the live stream. So smallest to biggest. And last one, the A380. With this beautiful 2 engines. Look, the wingspan is almost touching the camera too. I mean, not gonna lie, it's pretty close. But 1 inch. That will be the end of the stream. I hope you guys did enjoy. See you later. Alright, bye-bye.